everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about top 3 technical writing courses in Netherlands. So our first and the topmost institute to learn technical writing is IIM Skills because of their dedicated placement cell and the money back policy, in which they assure you that they will refund your money in case they fail to get you place. Apart from this, they also have a dedicated LMS provided to their students in which you can access all of their pre-reading material, recorded sessions and all of the course material as well. Also, it comes with a lifetime access, means if anything changes in the future like the reading material, the course or the syllabus, anything, you will be having the access of the same. And their course duration is about 3 months, which they charge you approx 173 US dollars, and they covers all of the basic to advanced level modules like the medical writing, the legal writing, the white paper, etc. So if you are a serious learner to learn technical writing, then IIM Skills would be a great option for you. Now coming to the next, we have BSOAS, which stands for British School of Advanced Studies. It is an international brand that offers variety of courses related to the technical writing and other domains as well. And they have diploma and PG programs available for the students who are looking for the offline classrooms. They have their offline classrooms available worldwide, and their course duration is up to 3 months or less, I guess, and their fees is 500 US dollars. But it is also a placement assured program, means if you are looking for an offline institute to learn technical writing, then British School of Advanced Studies would also be a great option for you. Now coming to the last, we have Technical Writer HQ, which stands for the headquarters, and they have two different options available for the technical writing course, from basic to advanced, and one is for 3 months and second is for 5 months, and the cost varies from the 299 US dollars to 599 US dollars depending upon the course which you will choose. Now, as I've given you a list of top 3 institutes to learn technical writing and you are prepared with the information, my only suggestion is to you to take the demos of these institutes first and then select an institute for the technical writing course. And I have given a link of these institutes in the description box. Please go and check out. And if you are still facing any doubts in selecting a right institute for your career, then please feel free to comment below and I will personally reply to you with all of the possible solutions. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and